Hey boys and girls, we're gonna go over the vocab words for this week. Make sure you could get a pen or a pencil with paper so you could write down some notes. Also, you could press the play or pause so that way you have enough time to write down the definitions. The first vocab word is yarn. People use yarn to knit sweaters, hats, and mittens. Yarn means thick thread made of cotton or wool. Yarn means thick thread made of cotton or wool. Yarn means thick thread made of cotton or wool. Next word is strands. The strands of yarn are tied into knots at the bottom of this rug. Strands means single pieces of thread. Strands mean single pieces of thread. Strands mean single pieces of thread. Next vocab word is spinning. It takes a lot of practice spinning chunks of wool into the thin yarn. Spinning means twisting together material to make yarn. Spinning means twisting together material to make yarn. Spinning means twisting together material to make yarn. The next vocab word is dye. These shirts are soaked in dye to make them colorful. Dye means a liquid used to change the color of something, kind of like Easter eggs. Dye means a liquid that changes the color of something. Dye means a liquid that changes the color of something. Next vocab word is weave. This woman will weave dried grasses into baskets. Weave means to make cloth by crossing materials over. Weave means to make cloth by crossing material over. Weave means to make a cloth by crossing material over. The next vocab word is sharpening. This pencil does not need sharpening anymore. Sharpening means making something have a sharper edge. Sharpening means making something have a sharper edge. Sharpening means making something have a sharper edge. Next word is duplicated. Some colors on this rug are duplicated. They appear again and again. Duplicated means you made an exact copy of it. So it's kind of like copy from last week. Duplicated means you made an exact copy of it. Duplicated means you made an exact copy of it. The last vocab word is delicious. This baker makes delicious cakes. They are very tasty. Delicious means very good taste. Delicious means very good taste. I'm going to rub my belly. Delicious means very good taste. So let's review them. We have yarn, which is a thick thread made of cotton or wool. We have strands, which are the single pieces of thread. We have spinning, where you're twisting together material to make yarn. You have dye, which is a liquid that changes the color of something. You have weave, was where you make a cloth by crossing over the material. You have sharpening, where you're making something have a sharper edge. Duplicated, you made an exact copy of it. And delicious, which means a very good taste. So we have yarn, strands, spinning, dye, weave, sharpening, duplicated, and delicious. So go ahead and make sure you do your vocab notes and study, and don't forget to turn them in. We'll see you next time.